Hello and happy Vlogmas from Not Bad Parents. Hey, guess what? It's Vlogmas and we're doing another video, right Amanda?
We sure are. And I'm real excited for this one.
Why?
Because we're gonna make Casey's hot dogs.
Oh my god. So what kind of hot dogs are we making today? Because I'm pretty stoked about this.
Well, I'm making the Greek hot dog. As you can see, I got the tzatziki and the black olives and the banana peppers and the feta.
So the Greek hot dog is December 16th's hot dog.
So we're doing, the Casey's 12 hot dogs of Christmas.
My hot dog that I've chosen is the jalapeno popper dog with jalapeno poppers and queso cheese and oh my god, what else is on it? Bacon bits and other stuff. And some sliced jalapenos. And that's gonna be awesome. And you know what? The drunken pianist is here!
Hey!
What are you making today?
I'm making a poutine hot dog. Basically a hot dog with sausage, not sausage. It's a hot dog with french fries, brown gravy, and cheese curd.
Oh man, that is awesome. And of course it wouldn't be a Not Bad Vlogmas if we didn't have rum drinks.
Tasty drinks.
I should be drinking eggnog.
All right, the fries are cooking. And the gravy's done. Mom, what are you making?
Bacon bits.
Oh my gosh, fresh bacon bits?
Yeah.
Nothing better than that. All right, I didn't realize how crazy it would be to try to put 3 Casey's hot dogs together, but I think we finally did it. We're ready to go. And Amanda's gonna go first. So we're gonna individually build 3 of our hot dogs and then try them at the very end. I'm gonna put up a picture of what it's supposed to look like and how we did, which is gonna be really funny. And yeah, let's get going. All right, you're going first, dude.
All right.
What are you making?
So I'm making the Greek dog.
What do you got?
So what I got is onions, feta, banana peppers, black olives, and some tzatziki sauce.
All right, so right over here somewhere is gonna be a picture of what the hot dog is supposed to look like.
Yeah.
You've seen it.
I'm gonna try.
Let's go.
I made a Greek hot dog that's supposed to be like from Casey's Corner. They're 12 hot dogs of Christmas they did last year.
I think it looks really, really good.
I do too. I can't wait to eat it.
Yes. All right. That looks great. Next up is Uncle Brett from the Drunken Pianist. All right. What one are you making?
I am making the poutine dog.
What is poutine?
Poutine is fries, gravy, and cheese curd.
That sounds really good. So I'm going to put up a picture right here. Whoop. Right here of what it's supposed to look like. Ready? Go. Wow, that looks amazing.
Oh my god.
That's pretty good.
And the sound is my nacho cheese waiting for my hot dog. All right, and finally is mine. And I think mine is gonna be the absolute best because it's a jalapeno popper. So, we got jalapeno poppers, we got bacon bits, and we have sliced jalapenos, and we have nacho cheese and garlic ranch dip. Now, you might be saying to yourself, hey Chris, that looks an awful lot like the tzatziki sauce. Well, Chris forgot the garlic ranch dip, but this is gonna be a close second. I'm ready, I hope you are. Let's go. All right, mine's done, and I think it looks amazing. So here's the nacho cheese on the top, and the tzatziki, and over here is the jalapeno poppers, and over here is the bacon. And the only thing left to do is...
try them out.
Let's go. All right, now is the most fun part of all. We get to try them.
I can't wait.
Which one do you want to try first?
The Greek one.
The Greek. We'll
The
just
Greek
go
one?
for it.
All right, let's go with the Greek one first.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
Yep.
That is an awesome hot dog.
Wow.
It's like eating a gyro.
Mm-hmm.
That was really good. And really messy.
Yep.
If I hadn't mentioned, we each made 1.5 hot dogs, and cut the whole one in half so we each have a piece of each.
Math.
Good job.
Math.
Wow.
That's really, really good.
It does taste like a euro.
Yep.
It's fun.
I'm really excited. What's next? The
Poutine. I want to do
one?
yours last.
All right, the poutine.
Poutine.
So I'm gonna be honest, that is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the gravy on the hot dog. It's pretty tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, very good.
And the cheese is awesome. It's tart and tangy.
Mm-hmm. That was amazing.
Yep.
I love poutine, so adding with a hot dog
It's amazing.
is just a great idea.
Mm-hmm. All right, are you ready for the last one?
The
I need to
jalapeno
clean my
popcorn.
palate.
I think that's my favorite one.
Wow.
That was awesome.
It's got a little bite to it.
It's got a little kick.
I didn't know if I was gonna like the tzatziki instead of the garlic ranch, but
I really like it.
wow.
Tzatziki has garlic in it anyways.
Yeah, it has a good creaminess. I really like it.
Yeah, it would have been amazing with the ranch.
Or whatever, but it's still really good.
Oh well. Well, that was really fun.
Yeah.
That was really good.
And I think it's time to say goodbye and go finish our hot dogs now.
Yeah, definitely.
And our drinks.
Well, thanks for joining us for another day of Vlogmas.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Don't forget to bring home the milk.
Thanks for hanging out.